Hello, investors. This is the weekly update on MicroStrategy. Today, I want to talk about MicroStrategy, the Power Law dynamics. So, this is the best framework that you want to hold for your investment thesis. I will explain why. Basically, it's by this indicator, the MSTR Power Law, and it's very simple to understand. You have the upper band, that is the overvalue, the middle one, that is the fair value, and the lower band, that is the undervalue. At this moment, the fair value it's around $623, but I don't think that this is actually the fair value. So what I do is to project this band to this level right in here. When it touched several points like this and like this. Okay, so for us, the fair value is at this moment around $212, something like that. So it's very simple. If you buy below that fair value, buy at lower levels, and that's why and what you want to do. But let's see where we are right now. If I project it again, right we're at this moment, which is right here, let's see the equivalent in the last cycle is, let's say, something along these lines, something like, let's say, right here. So for this model, if you buy right now at $136, it's like you were buying the last cycle at $23. So the question is, that's a good investment in the whole thesis? I say yes, right? So I think that's what we are at this moment, that equivalent. Now we can do something more. And for this model and the whole framework, let's see those highs. This is a high, this is a top, this is a second top, this is a third top, and those are bottoms. So what you want to do is, let's say, have a target at the fair value for this indicator around $324, around those levels. So I would delete this and also this. So what we want to do is, let's see if we buy the tops. We buy this top to this level, will be an 11x return. You buy the second top, which is this one, that will be, let's put it right here, a 9x return. The next one will be 6x returns, around 6x. The next stop will be 3.5x returns, and even if you buy the mirror all-time high, which is right here, you still have a 2.1x return. So even if you buy tops, you are in a profit. Now let's see with the bottoms. I will delete those. Let's delete this, and let's see the bottoms. This is the first bottom, which is right around right here. That's 18x returns, and the second bottom is this one, that will be a 10x return. Sorry, around 9x return. Okay, so that's the whole thesis. But what we want to do is, let's see where we are. Our target is around $1,800, around along those lines. You could argue that it's 1,200. Let's see, 1,800. I think we can do that. So where we are right now is at a top. We are projected right here. Let's see, the profit will be 13x from now. The second top is this one at that will be a 9x return. The second one will be this, and you get the idea. Okay, that's a 4x, around 4x, and the mere all-time high, that's 3.5x returns. So for this model, we are on a potential 13x return. So even if you buy this top, that's a good investment thesis. Okay, but thankfully for us and for this channel, we think we are buying this bottom. Actually, that's our entry point, and that is 18x return. Okay, so in the macro, buying those, even if we go lower, is meaningless to us because we have a macro time frame for our investment. Okay, so that's the idea. At the moment we're in a top, but I think we can break out very soon. And in the macro, you have to have a macro thesis for MicroStrategy. This is the best way to handle this. So overall, this is the MicroStrategy Power Law dynamics, and you have the idea where you are in this cycle at the moment. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and I see you on the next one.